Earlier this year, Dayton had 6 homicides in just 10 days, and now we're learning there hasn't been a murder in the city in 10 weeks. So we wanted to know what police have been doing to help keep your street safer. Our Nicole Grigg has the story.
The last homicide on our streets was just an innocent bystander hit by crossfire. Daylin Foster was 9 months pregnant. That same day, a man was gunned down on Valerie Arms. The 2 senseless murders were 10 weeks ago.
I didn't know that. I didn't know it had been that long, and that's beautiful.
Murders are down 24% this year, and we wanted to know why.
People are having these Stop the Violence rallies.
We're told those peace rallies we cover so often seem to be making a difference. Police also say the use of technology is helping them fight back.
We use a lot of computer, a lot of crime mapping, and try to get information on what's happening on the streets to be able to address it before it happens.
Assistant Chief of Police Bob Chabali says the department has several initiatives, like having specific officers focusing on just gun violence.
Maybe everybody's really starting to get it now.
This time last year, we had 17 murders. So far this year, 13. And for police, every life counts.
But without the people to work with people in a community, in the neighborhoods, to address their problems, we wouldn't be where we're at.
That's all we can do is keep praying.
Nicole Grigg, Fox 45 News.
Now, police also tell us they are working with various city services and local mental health programs, and they say that is helping the situation.